Hi, yesterday I buy a Minijack to RCA cable from eBay like this. This is a Monster cable. Actually, it is $18 on eBay. Unfortunately, I found that this one, the right one of the connector RCA, doesn't work. So I will show you how to test it using multimeter. And this is multimeter. This is a cheap multimeter. So first I want to turn on the multimeter and set it to ohm meter and set it to multiply 1000. I will put the multimeter here so it will be easier to reading. So if you pay attention to the Minijack connector, this Minijack connector, so you will find out that actually it is contained of 3 parts. So this Minijack connector, this one is the part that connect to the left RCA. Left RCA is the white one. So this part should connect to this one, and this one, ground, should connect to this one, as well as the right connector of the RCA. Right connector is marked with red ring or something like that, while the left one is marked with white. And this here should connect it to the middle of the Minijack, and the ground connected here. So we check it now using this multimeter whether it is connected, since I believe this is one of the defective product. So we have to check it to test it with the left one first. So I point it here like this, and then the other one point here. You can see that the needle of the multimeter is moving to the right, so it is connected. And then the ground, we will check the ground also. The ground here, you can see also that the multimeter is moving to the right. What about the right one? The right one, we check for the ground first. This one, the ground of the right one. You can see the needle of the multimeter also moving to the right. And then the middle part here, it should connect to this one. Unfortunately, the needle doesn't move at all, so this cable must be broken somewhere inside. However, the ground still works.